everyone, Mindless Autumn again. So I am going to go through all of this pile of office supplies. We're basically combining two desks into one and kind of getting rid of one of them in an effort to have less stuff. And I will show you kind of what my process is and how I decide if I'm going to keep something or not, and you can follow along. The first thing I'm going to do is kind of sort things like to like. So I have a whole bunch of little notepads that I'm going to keep together, and pencil sharpener, glue. I don't know why a pumice stone is in here. It does not go there. Calculator. Whole bunch of post-it notes and things with my address, which I'm not going to show you right now. And don't know why I have those. I don't need them. They're going away. Whole bunch of different kinds of post-it notes. I'm going to keep those all together. I have page flags I'm going to keep together with it. Hair bands go in the vanity, not in the office stuff. More post-its from my boho berry box. Love it. More flags. This is from a friend who went to Japan and got me some stationery. Best kind of friend ever. Stuff for your teeth does not go in your office. I like to have a microfiber thing for cleaning my phone off and my desk, like computer monitor. That's the word. More stuff does not go in my office. I do keep a couple hair bands because sometimes I get annoyed and have to pull my hair back, but I don't need this many in here, so let's just do two. So full of hair. Gross. Jewelry that I took off while I was working, never bothered putting away. We can put that away. Got my sprocket sticker paper. I have more in a different part of the house, so I'm going to put all that together. If you want to see more of my sprocket stuff in my bullet journal, let me know and I would love to do that for you. Got a whole bunch of washi, and the washi organizer that I have is too big around, like this would fall through it. So I have to keep that in a different spot, and I'm not sure why I kind of have an Allen wrench in there, but that can go away. Whole bunch of erasers can go together. Vitamins do not go in your office. Kingdom Hearts pin that came with the new Kingdom Hearts game. Love Disney games. Doesn't go in here. Crafter's tape can stay. Dead batteries can go. And I'm just going to repeat the idea of combining things that go together and getting rid of things that don't go in here. And I will show you how that went when I'm done. Okay, so I am done. I emptied out all of this, and I will either find another use for it somewhere else or donate it. I especially love these things I got from the Dollar Tree, so I probably will find a use for them either in the kitchen or the bathroom. I got everything combined into the paper products and the office pens, supplies, stuff. And I just have to put those in my desk drawer, and then I am good to go. So if you want to see more areas of the house or different rooms as I go along, then let me know in the comments below, and I will see you next time.